hao, and hello. Welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of March, we'll be learning songs in Mandarin. Come along with us. This week, our song is about two tigers, and it's called Liang Ji Lao Hu. Can you say that with me? Liang Ji Lao Hu. Good, Liang Ji Lao Hu. So it's about two tigers, one who doesn't have any ears and one who doesn't have a tail, but they run really, really fast. It sounds like this. Ready? Turn those listening ears on. 两只老虎，两只老虎，跑得快，跑得快。一只没有耳朵，一只没有尾巴，真奇怪，真奇怪。So this is the same melody as Frère Jacques or Are You Sleeping, Brother John in English. All right, let's break it down and learn it line by line. So the very first line is 两只老虎，两只老虎. And we sing it 2 times. Can you try it with me? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. 两只老虎，两只老虎. Good, let's try it one more time. A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. 两只老虎，两只老虎. Good, so that means 2 tigers, 2 tigers. Then we have 跑得快，跑得快. Run really fast. They run really fast. Can you try singing that with me? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. 跑得快，跑得快. Good. Can we try it from the top? From to? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. 两只老虎，两只老虎，跑得快，跑得快. Good job, everyone. All right, now this next part's a little bit tricky, so listen to it first, okay? 一只没有耳朵，一只没有尾巴. Did you notice how it was almost the same, but just one word was a little bit different? So the first part is 一只没有耳朵. Can you sing that with me? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. 一只没有耳朵. Good. And do you remember arduo, ears, from our song last week? All right. The next part, 一只没有尾巴. 一只没有尾巴. 尾巴 means tail. So one tiger has no ears and one tiger has no tail. Good. Should we try it all the way from the top? To? All right. A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. 两只老虎，两只老虎，跑得快，跑得快。一只没有耳朵，一只没有尾巴. Very good. Okay, just the very last part. And it sounds like this. Ready? 真奇怪，真奇怪. Can you sing that with me? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. 真奇怪，真奇怪. Very good. So the whole song means 2 tigers, run really fast, run really fast. One has no ears, one has no tail. Really strange, really strange. All right, should we give the whole song a go from the top, from to? All right, let's try it really slowly this time. A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. 两只老虎，两只老虎，跑得快，跑得快，一只没有耳朵，一只没有尾巴，真奇怪，真奇怪。Great job, everyone! Let's try it one more time all together, a little bit faster. Are you ready? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3。两只老虎，两只老虎，跑得快，跑得快，一只没有耳朵，一只没有尾巴，真奇怪，真奇怪。Great job, everybody! Excellent singing! Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. Join us again next week for more Mandarin in March. 再见。